Hi guys, Hexo here, and welcome. And we just passed through a storm. It rained so hard. I just came from school, and from the way school, it rained so hard, and this is what happened. Boom! It hailed. Look, hail all over. See, I'm just gonna grab one. Look, look at that. Oh, cold. Look at that. Look at that. It's all over the grass. Yeah. And also, as we see here, it's just water running down over there. You can see all the streets. It's raining and everything. Look, so many. Hey. Whoa. You see that, guys? That there is, I don't know, storm, but I've seen hail way bigger than this. Like, about this size. And what we're gonna do is gonna have a little fun with the hail. See what we can do. Yeah. Oh, I don't think you saw that. Oh, my hands are cold. Oh, this is so cold. Oh. And as you can see there, that trucks, my cousin, he lives there, and they're moving some other house. Sad for us, because we've been spending the best time ever. Ugh. Cold. Oh yeah, and it happened here in Brighton. Yeah. So if you live in Brighton, then you may know this video is true. It's not like fake or anything. So yeah, I have two friends who have a YouTube channel like this, and they might probably do a video about this. Well, the cars are wet and everything. So yeah, lots of hail. If you never seen hail, it's like little ice things. I don't know. See it there? Okay. Yeah, that's what it is. Like, wanna see one more time? Yeah. Man, look at all those houses. Oh, huh? Just zooming into everything. So yeah, it's a stormy past too, and hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, smash that subscribe button, but make sure you don't hurt yourself. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh, cold. Okay, let's see if it's... Whoa, it's freaking hard. Oh, look. Man. Man. Oh, it's hard. Oh. It's very, very cold. Yeah. So yeah. Hope you enjoy this. Hit the button. It would help very much. Subscribe. And see you in the next video. Bye.